What's the lowest level you can beat Pokemon Red and Blue using a Paris? We are on to Lorelei. So we're coming in at level 60. It is a first form Pokemon. And Lorelei does have good AI, and Paris is part grass. So all things considered, level 60 is pretty good. Paris probably has the best move in the game, which is Spore, and like the third best move in the game, which is Swords Dance. So it does have a lot going for it. So what we're going to do here is we put the Dugong to sleep, and then we're just going to use all three of our Swords Dances, and then Dig is going to be able to one-hit KO. Up next is the Cloyster, and the Cloyster does have great defense, but you know, what happens here is pretty sweet because we are going to be able to one-hit KO the Cloyster, even though its defense is so high. Which is pretty surprising. Even though we are 3 Swords Dance up, I was still pretty shocked by that. Up next comes the Slowbro. So now what we're going to do is we are actually going to mimic the Amnesia. Now, Amnesia would raise our special defense, which will have some benefit in this. But what we're really doing it for is too often we were getting to the Jinx, and then the Jinx was outspeeding us. So to prevent us from having to go to a higher level to outspeed the Jinx, we are actually just going to go ahead and use Amnesia 3 times. So now we'll have 6 stacks of the badge boost, 3 from the Swords Dance, 3 from Amnesia, and what that does is put our speed into a spot where we can outspeed the Jinx. So once we get that done, we are able to just go ahead and knock out the Slowbro. And then we are going to be able to knock out the Jinx because its defense is terrible. And then we just have the Lapras left. Lapras is pretty bulky, but it's no big deal for us. So we're going to go ahead and Dig. And then we go ahead and knock it out. So the question I ask you is,